In today's smart factories, IT and OT work hand in hand to optimize production. But what's the difference between these two critical technologies in manufacturing, and how do they come together? Information technology, or IT, focuses on data, networks, and systems that manage business processes. Operational technology, or OT, is about controlling physical processes and monitoring equipment on the factory floor. Let's explore how they differ and overlap. IT solutions like ERP help manage business data, everything from inventory to production schedules. For example, an ERP system ensures you have the right materials at the right time to avoid production bottlenecks. On the other hand, OT focuses on technology that interacts directly with physical machines. PLCs and SCADA systems control and monitor equipment in real time. For instance, a PLC can adjust the speed of a conveyor belt to meet production demands. IT might be analyzing production performance, while OT keeps machines running efficiently. But some technologies bridge the gap between IT and OT. Take MES, for example. It manages production data like an IT system, but also interfaces with machinery. It ensures that business goals align with real-time machine performance. As IT and OT become more connected, cybersecurity risks increase. A cyber attack on an IT system could impact OT systems, bringing down production lines. Protecting both is critical to maintaining uptime. Learn more about IT and OT solutions, including MES in i4verse.com. Visit us today.